Hi everyone, I'm Sienna, the content producer here at Seamwork. Welcome to the Let's Sew a Cardigan class. In this class, we'll be sewing up the Seamwork Milo cardigan. The Milo cardigan is a great layering piece. This knit cardigan has a modern silhouette with cuffs, patch pockets, a band at the hem, and a V-neck that closes with buttons. Milo's relaxed fit makes it ideal for layering, with two length options hitting at the high hip and just below the hip. This is a great project to boost your sewing with knit skills. If you're brand new to sewing with knits, check out the Sew and Knit t-shirt class. You'll want to sew Milo in your favorite knit fabric, like Ponte, double knit, merino jersey, French terry, rib knits, and sweater knits. For the 1-inch buttons, you can go vintage, match them to your fabric, or add a pop of contrast. Don't have a serger? Don't worry. In this class, I'll cover some tips for sewing with knits without a serger. Ready to get started? In the next lesson, I'll cover fabric and supplies.